The easiest way to misunderstand Figr is to think it's another prompt UI design tool. It's not. If you type "make me a dashboard" into any other or most of the AI design tools, they'll give you something that looks decent, maybe impressive for 5 seconds, but real product design doesn't work like that. Your product already has so much context. It has a design system, it has users, navigation, permissions, edge cases, analytics, old flows, broken flows, and decisions. Probably no one wrote them correctly. And that's why Figr starts with your context. Figr is an AI product designer that understands your product before it designs. So today, we're going to start off with context pods. So you can set up a context pod inside Figr. If I just go here in the example of cal.com, it can hold up all the different type of your data about your product. It can hold up video, screen recordings and walkthroughs, Figma files, documentation, analytics, PRDs, any user interviews that you have, including your screenshots, and very rich PDF about your product. Figr builds a memory of how your product works as you use Figr more and more. Then you can also set up a complete design system inside Figr. If I go inside the design system that we have set up here for cal.com using our design system agent, you will see that here inside the design system, we have set up all the colors, tokens of colors, core colors, as well as border colors, background colors, when and where, what type of colors are used. And we have also mapped the usage guideline. So for example, here for this color, you can see that when and where this color should be used. So Figr maps this token and maps it from all the screens that you have inside Figma to understand when and where this is being used. You can import your existing design system as well as you can create a new design system inside it, and including the typography as well as the border radius. We also have all the markdown files of all the components, its structure, variants, and the composition, so that Figr understands what type of components to use to build your design. Here is just one example of how well Figr follows your design system. So this is the example of perplexity, and similarly we also have an example of x.com. Moving on, we have this infinite canvas where you can hold all your attachments, context, and all the artifacts that Figr produces. Figr can produce diagrams and user flows, very high fidelity prototypes that you can interact and very quickly change about. And you can also create documentation right inside Figr and change it. We have an infinite canvas for all your attachments, context, and artifacts that Figr produces. So here's an example of, again, cal.com, where we gave Figr all the context about cal.com, its current walkthrough, how it works, the screen recording, and some PDFs and analytics. Using that, it created all the different type of artifacts. It reviewed the UX, it mapped edge cases, it wrote PRDs that you can always go and edit as a text document. And then it built a lot of different variants here that I can see and quickly compare. And then finally, this is the final prototype that we liked. You can quickly interact with it. And within one click, you can export it to Figma or download its code or publish it as a web artifact. As you publish it to Figma, we make sure that all of the layers, auto layout, tokens, and components remain intact, and they actually are consistent to your design system. So the main difference is this: most tools help you generate screens. Figr helps you design the product with your existing context. So if you go to a generic AI tool to make a nice looking billing page, but on the other hand, Figr should very deeply understand how billing works in your product, what plans exist, what users can change, what happens when, let's say, payment fails, or what current design system is actually. So the bar for serious product that we hold at Figr is really, really high. So if you're improving an existing product and you don't want to dump cleanup work on your designer later, Figr will make a lot of sense for you. We will cover and dive deep into each and every capability of Figr in the later videos. Thank you.